back to the channel. Wata Warz. We're in Soca Mazza Zante 2026 and we're in Karma for the pool party. Blue v red.
Alright, let's have a little walk around, guys. Look what we got on show today. Oi. This is like Nottingham Carnival. You ever been to Nottingham Carnival in the sun before? This is it. This is the one. Yes, yes. Alright, let's keep going. Sabrina's punching me. So we are, this is the bar area. Everyone having fun, look. So, there are people in the pool. You can jump off here. You might see me jump off here later on, maybe in Sabrina's video. But everyone chilling. My boys here, they came for the jerk chicken earlier on. You got the DJs up here. My boy came for some nice. Yes, brother. Let's get up here, have a little cool look. Got the DJs, the MCs.
Everybody go down and hop. Go down and hop.
Right, let's keep going around, Check the girls there. Here we go. We're gonna jump in the pool, we're gonna jump in there in a minute, trust me. The sun just ran away from us. But I'm sure it's gonna come back, Yeah, so let's have a little look here, what we got here. So yes, we got the red team and you got the blue team. You see the blue team there? So the blue v's red today. So Trinidad. What the blue team here? I think I wore a mix today. I'm in black and red really. I got my Bob Marley top on. Look at. I love my job, guys. Thank you to everyone. That makes it happen. Guys, this is my job. I know, just in time. As you can see, lots of beautiful women.
Please, if you're ready to one, please.
Questionable men of always. Scandalous men. But yeah, trust me, this one's gonna get quality. We're gonna get strikes on all of it. Lots of strikes on this video. Sexual content, music, everything. But you know, it's only dancing, guys. It's only dancing. So I don't know why they want to strike their dancing.
What kind of music? What kind of song you want? Speed or low? Speed.
I don't know why they want to strike the dancing because this is dancing.
Oh, the drum must be.
Let's keep walking around.
Yeah, the drum must be. Now.
So more of the blue team.
What kind of music you have to mash up the place? Yeah, you tell me why the people must straight, the people must speed.
Everyone's squirting everyone today. Look at Sabrina with the boys as always. Can't ever get away from the boys. It's my Trinidad boys. Yes. Yes, man. Look, she's always with the boys. So I'm going to go with the girls.
Yeah. This is Soca Mazza.
Why not? Why not?
Hope you enjoy the vibes. Hope you enjoy drinks. Something.
You could probably just get a drunk too.
So yeah, take a quick look round. Gimbal feels a bit unstable there. I don't know why. But yeah, the sun disappeared. Ella, look at this one. Yes. Look at that. Everyone having fun, as you can see. It's the thing with Soca Mazza. It's all about fun. That's it. So we've got a few more minutes. What should we do? What should we do? More people to the right, in there. Oh, let's zoom into a few people. So guys, have you ever been to Karma? What a job, eh, guys? Here's my boy here.
Yeah, it's all about LOL weekend, the 1st to the 4th of October 2026. We out there in Faro, Portugal. I'm telling you people, get your tickets right now. www.lolweekend.com. It's gonna be crazy. We got some mad events. We're gonna try and get our people right here to come and support the vibe and come and entertain you, right? So make sure you're there. Silver Fox there, come through. Boom!
So as you see, we'll be there. We're at Soca Liquor Festival. We're there this year. We might be at Love and Rock Festival before that. Let's go around here. They're gonna go together. They're gonna go single. One more to go.